Hi! In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this tablet. First of all, just click on clock icon over here and tap on alarm at the top left corner. Now you need to tap on this plus icon at the bottom and set up an hour. When you're ready, click on OK. Following that, you need to click on repeat and choose days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Fridays only. Then click on label over here. If you wish to label your alarm, you can do that here and save your label by clicking on OK. Now click on default, tap on dismiss, and from here you can choose add new and pick music from your smartphone, or just click on one of those melodies and go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on this bin icon under a label. And now it's... oh, come on. And now it's gone. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you need to click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings, and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!